Alright, Mopop family and friends. Figured I'd give you guys a little quick short how I've been doing here lately. I gotta get that coolant up out of there. So here's the cylinder, and I know you can see the scarring there where it's up and down. Shouldn't have that, so I'm gonna have to rehome that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the lifters. Since I already got it off, just go ahead and take a look at the cam, see what's what, make sure all that's good. And basically at this point, I think what I'm gonna do, man, is I'm probably not gonna do one piston. We've already ordered a full set, so since we got the full set, I'm already this far. And we got bearings as well, even though I don't really need them. I checked down there and it looked good. The crankshaft looks good, everything was good. It was just this one cylinder had that broke piston, which could have either been detonation or just, it's just old, man. It's got 180 something thousand miles on it. Look, see this? Oh, I don't know if you can, but it moves just a hair. As I say, you're supposed to have a tiny little bit of movement. I don't know if that's a little bit much. So I'm thinking go ahead and replace the rings and all the pistons. I'll put y'all in on that. Let y'all see what's what. And then, like I said, I'm curious as to what the cam looks like. Just want to make sure it looks good before I put all this back and have to redo it. Oh, and y'all want to see the piston, right? Duh. Right? Here it is. Look at there. All that big chunk broke off. Everything else on it looks good. Connecting rod looks good, nice and straight. It doesn't appear to be bent in any way by eye. The pin and all that, it moved fine. It didn't lock up or seize or anything. It feels good. This is probably just age, man, and it just wound up happening over time. I mean, everything's clean in there. They at the right size. Oh yeah, I don't know if I had a question about whether they were really 6'1" heads or not. Well, looking at these push rods, that tells me they're 6'1" heads, because you got to get the longer ones. And I also looked up the number there, and it came back being 6'1". So, oh yeah, and there's the JBA long tubes. So yeah, we ordering that, man. Y'all bear with me. I'll have this thing back together.